Hello students, now we will learn about cytokinin phytohormones. In general, we say auxins are responsible for root formation and cytokinins are responsible for stem formation. Cytokinins are derivatives of kinetins. Kinetins are a type of modified purines. We know that purines are nitrogen bases. So cytokinins are derivatives of modified purines. Purines are nitrogen bases. For the first time, cytokinins are extracted by Skoog and Miller from the internodal region of tobacco plant. Are discovered and extracted from internode region of tobacco plant. By Skoog and Miller. During their work at the internode region of tobacco plant, they observed some proliferation of cells, but that happened only when auxins are also added. Proliferation means multiplication of cells. When two different types of hormones are responsible for one single or same type of function, such type of condition is called as syngenistic in condition, or we say that hormones are syngenistic in nature. Right? Cytokines and auxins are syngenistic in nature. Right? Meanings of this: proliferation means multiplication or increasing of cell number. Syngenistic means nature of two different hormones doing same type of function. Next, Giatin is considered as natural cytokine. Giatin is extracted from corn kernels. And coconut milk. There are some other types of places in plant body where these cytokinins are also extracted. We'll write second point, this one as second point. Third point as cytokinins are also extracted from vascular tissues of plants, from yeast cells, coconut milk, yeast extract, and DNA extract. It means that from DNA and from yeast also. From where the cytokinins can be extracted from DNA. Cytokinins are also observed by Skoog and Miller in form of kinetins from autoclaved herring sperm DNA. Are also discovered by Skoog and Miller in form of kinetins in autoclave herring sperm. It's a type of whale. We also can say it's a type of fish. Chemically, cytokinins are derivatives of kinetins, or we can say the chemical name as 6-furfuryl aminopurine, or as purine derivatives. This purine is adenine. We have two types of purines, that is adenine and guanine, but here cytokinins are modified adenine also, we can say is adenine. Next, cytokinins always function along with auxins only. Now, this kinetins in general has the function of causing cell division. They do not occur naturally. Has the function of causing cell division. And kinetins do not occur naturally. Next, kinetins always work along with auxins only. During tissue culture, based on the proportion of cytokinins and auxins, the type of cell division, formation of roots, formation of stem, they vary. Based on proportion means quantity. Cytokinins to auxins. There are different functions. If proportion of cytokinins is equal to auxins quantity, then cell division occurs without differentiation of cells. Next, if auxins are more than cytokinins, then root formation occurs. root formation occurs. If cytokinins are more than auxins, then stem or shoot formation occurs. So these are few points related to cytokinins. Now we will see about functions of cytokinins. Coming to functions of cytokinins. Cytokinins cause new leaf formation, chloroplast formation, and it helps to overcome apical dominance. Apical dominance means, in general, the region or the buds, the cells at the tip of the shoot system, they promote the growth of the region at tip part of the shoot. But these cytokinins will stop that growth of buds at the apical region. They support in growth of lateral stems or branches. That is termed as cytokinins. They promote lateral shoot formation. So we can say cytokinins promote lateral shoot formation. They will stop the apical dominance. Next, cytokinins, they cause cell enlargement and cell differentiation. Cytokinins also cause adventitious root formation. Next, cytokinins, they break the seed dormancy by increasing metabolic activities. Next, cytokinins, they promote nutrient transportation or mobilization. Nutrients mobilization means, because of this function, as nutrients will be supplied, senescence of the plant means aging of the plant, it will be delayed. So delays senescence. In general, senescence is the term that we use when we are talking about plants. Aging is the term that we use when we are talking about animals. Next, if a leaf is dipped in cytokinins, then it will stay green in color for longer period. Such type of condition is called as Richmond long effect. If a leaf is dipped in cytokinins, then it stays green for long period. is called. Richmond long effect. Next, cytokinins, they promote flowering in case of roses. Next. And here, this natural cytokinin here can be gelatin also. Gelatin chemically is called as 6-benzyl aminopurine. So we'll write that point also. Gelatin chemically called as 6-benzyl aminopurine. Cytokinins cause the formation of interfascicular ganglion. Interfascicular ganglion means which is formed between two vascular bundles. You know that fascicle means a bundle like. Interfascicular ganglion. And it also promotes secondary growth and promotes secondary growth. So these are few important functions of cytokinins.